Hi everyone, I am Professor Sharyo Velsare from Dr. Rajendra Gore Institute of Technology and Research, Amravati. My presentation topic is soil stabilization using plastic waste. These are the contents of my seminar. Introduction. As the plastic is very cheap material and easily available, so another material being replaced by the plastic. Plastic material is considered as an environmental hazard due to the use and throw mechanism. Different types of stabilizers are these are the different types of stabilization. Basically plastic we are used. Then the why plastic? Because it increase the shear strength, increase the tensile strength, increase the CBR value, and increase the various properties of a soil. Objectives are to minimize the plastic weight, deciding the lacking property of a soil, to deciding the stabilized mixed soil, and increase the shear strength of a soil. Basic tests are these are the instrument used for determining the liquid limit. This is the for the plastic limit. This is for triaxial test. This is for the unconfined compression test. And for after conducting the different types of test, the CBR test was conducted for the different plastic waste. The soil is taken from the Ceylon Bandera. This is the plastic waste material which were used, and this is the apparatus. This is the various aspect ratio used for plastic waste. This is the OMC of a soil sample is 23%, and this is the mixing is done, and hammering is given 56 blows to each 3 layers. This is the assembly of a CBR test. After conducting the test, this is the sample. Firstly, the test is conducted without plastic sheet, and these are the results. And after that, the percentage of plastic is vary from 0.25 and B is constant, that is stay, and 10, and various aspect ratio is from 1 to 5, and these are the various CBR test result. Then the width of the sample is increases, that is 15%, and various aspect ratio was considered, and percentage of plastic were increased. Percentage of plastic were increased from 0.25 to 1%. These are the graph which shows the aspect ratio for the one, and on x axis there is percent of plastic, and y CBR. Aspect ratio is 2, this is the graph. For the aspect ratio 3, this is the graph. 4, this is the graph, and 5, this is the graph. And after that, percentage of percent weight of a strip was considered as a constant, and on axis there is a variation of the graph, that is aspect ratio to the CBR adopted for the 5%, for 75%, and 1%. This is the graph. And the conclusion of my seminar topic is plastic has an adverse effect on a human environment as well as human. Many soil stabilization methods were used recently, but the soil stabilization using plastic waste give the best result. Proper proportion of a plastic waste must be used to aid the increasing the CBR value of a soil. And as we know that we value the width of the sample from the 10 to 15, and the percentage of weight is from 0.25 to 1, and from that 68% of a CBR was found to be respective their raw material. And these are the references of my seminar. Thank you.